I just created a free virtual card with an instant virtual card app, and this card I can use it for online shopping or even subscription to services such as Netflix or even Amazon. And the best part is I did not even use an SSN to create this virtual card account. I just followed simple steps and did a few verifications that did not require me an SSN. And of course, you can use this card or even add it to your wallet to make seamless payment. So if you're craving for virtual card apps just as this one that would let you create free virtual credit cards, then this video is for you, as I'll be showing you the best 3 apps that I use to create free virtual cards for online shopping anywhere in the world. So without any further ado guys, let's aim this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. As we all do know, most new banking applications out there let you get a US bank account or a US virtual card with the help of an SSN. But the apps I'm going to be showing you today, the 3 apps I'll be showing you, which are actually on the screen, won't require you to have an SSN. All you need is just a valid ID card and a phone number, if possible with an email address. So if you have all of these details and are ready to get a free virtual card that you can use for your online shopping needs, then we can proceed with the first app. So the first app, which is actually my favorite app of all of these apps that I'll be showing today, is Pex. So when you open Pex, it looks like this. It is a new banking app that lets you manage USD or stable coins seamlessly. I know you are not interested in all of the other features, but just in the card issuing feature. So when you open the Pex app and sign up and do all of the stuff required, you come to this card section. Now this card section actually shows you the cards that you've already signed for or that you've already applied for and gotten, and from this cards tab you can view your card benefits, or better still, you can view your card details. Okay, from here you can view the card number, expiry and the CVV, which are the core requirements that you need to complete online payments, okay, or even online subscriptions. What I love the most with this Pex virtual card is its fee structure. Okay, so you can see the base currency is of course USD. The activation fee is 0 USD. Authorization fee up to 0.5 USD. Decline fee up to 0.6 USD. If you've already made shopping before and have already been declined for a payment, you can understand how beneficial these services or these features Pex has to offer can actually be for you. And when you come on to the top-up fee or the annual fee, you have 0 everywhere. Okay, and the minimum top-up of course is 2 USD, which is way better than most of the other neo banking apps you will find out there. And for the transaction fee, you have a 0.6% of all the transaction, of the total cost of the transaction. Now what I find even way much interesting is the application time for this free virtual card. You can see that your free virtual card, you get it in just a minute as long as you've completed the KYC verification. Okay, now you come onto the mobile wallet. You can add this your Pex virtual card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, WeChat Pay and even Alipay. Okay, it is available for all of these wallets. Isn't that convenient? If that is so, you can get the referral link in the video description just so you can benefit from more features. So the second app we'll be mentioning today is Nero. Okay, so Nero is more of a fintech application in its own. Okay, so it lets you manage your cards or lets you apply for virtual cards and even add your account to this same application and manage your transactions right from the comfort of its different features. In my account that we have here, I have already completed all of the verification until going on to topping up my balance just to test a couple of features and be sure of what I am presenting to you. So the reason for my top up was to verify the card issuing, because to top up or to get your card when it comes to this card section, so to get a free virtual card with Nero, you need to have a minimum balance. In my local currency, it is 1,500 francs CFA. In your local currency, it can be different, but you should have a minimum requirement to get a minimum balance requirement to get a virtual card from this Nero. But pay attention, you won't be paying any fee to get the card because it has been issued for free, and the card can have multiple uses. Just as with the PEX card, you can use it for your global online shopping or even for subscribing to services such as Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, and even much more. So Nero works on a plan model, and to know the plan you are currently on, you can just come to the settings and see the exclusive benefits that you have. Right now I am on the free plan, and you can see that the maximum virtual cards I can have is just one. When we compare the card transaction, it is way higher than what we had with the PEX virtual card. But coming on to other features, you can see that when we come to free rejections, with PEX we had 6 rejections, but here we have up to 10 free rejections in a month, which is also some of the PEX that Nero has over the PEX virtual card. Okay, and you can just continue scrolling on to see the different features that you have with this free subscription plan. The steps to ordering a Nero card is very easy. Once you've signed up for an account and completed verification with your ID card and phone number, you can just come onto the card section and order a new card, while paying closer attention to the fact that you will have to make sure that you've added a minimum balance that is required to order your free virtual card. Okay, but this balance won't be deducted for issuing a card. As I showed you the benefits earlier, you won't be charged anything for it. Now the third app we'll be discussing is DocPay. Okay, if you've used DocPay before, or if you are familiar with Web2Web applications, you should already know how this DocPay works. Okay, what interests us here the most, just as with the other applications, is the card. Okay, when you come onto this card here, if you are any user, you would have to pay a card issuing fee of 10 USD, but there is a way to escape from this. Okay, you need to get a coupon code from an authorized user that is authorized to grant you free coupon codes for issuing a card. Thankfully, I am currently working with DocPay to help most of my viewers like you to get free virtual cards, and from the referral link below, you'll be able to grab your free virtual card with this DocPay if at all you are interested with getting a free virtual card from DocPay. So for the benefit of doubt and your proper understanding with these virtual card apps, I'm going to take an example with setting up a free virtual credit card with using one of these applications, which of course is the PEX application. So once you've downloaded and installed this PEX application on your mobile device, you just want to launch the application to open it, just as so, and then you want to click on sign up. Once you click on this sign up here, you have to select your country. Okay, you have to select your country from the list of countries here, and then you enter your phone number and make sure that you select the option that suits you the most. Okay, if you want to verify using WhatsApp, you can select WhatsApp. If you want to use Telegram, you can use Telegram, or even use SMS. Okay, so if you have network issues in your area, I will recommend you to use one of these social applications, either WhatsApp or Telegram, and once you do so, you just proceed to the next step. Okay, so now we have to enter the verification code sent to us on WhatsApp. So this is the verification code that PEX sent to me. I'll just copy it just as so, and then I come here, I paste it in the application. Okay, now you'll be asked to create your passcode. All right, so just want to create your passcode, and after creating your passcode, you should be able to access your PEX account. Okay, once you've accessed your PEX account, you want to come on to the settings just as so, and make sure that you verify your contact information or identification. Okay, so for much more transparency, I had to research on whether you can open a PEX USD account even if you are not in the United States. And of course, you can open a PEX USD account. You don't need a US address, nor do you need an SSN or a residency required. You just need a valid ID and a phone number. You can see it highlighted on the PEX website. So you just need to make sure that you followed the required steps to complete a KYC verification and then you come on to this cards tab, you create your free PEX card. Okay, and then after creating your free PEX card, you can view its details by click on that details button there to reveal your card details, and from here you can copy its details and use for your online shopping or even free subscriptions. So that's how you get to create a free virtual card with the best instant virtual card apps out there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell down below to not miss our upcoming content. Okay, I catch you in the next episode.